Today I'm going to show you how to make your object float or hover like this. At first, let's start with creating our scene. Let's start by adding a sphere and then going to the attribute manager to the segments and then making them 32. After that, we will duplicate it 2 times and then reorganize the duplicated ones, and then we will try rescaling them to shape our cloud like this. After that, we will add a volume builder, grab our spheres, drop them into the volume builder, and then we'll click on the volume builder and go to the attribute manager. We will set the voxel size to 1 centimeter. We will also add an SDF smooth layer on top of everything. We will adjust the radius value to about 10 centimeters on each sphere. It will make it look even better. After that, we will make the voxel distance at a value of 5. It looks even better. Now we will add a volume measure. Let's disable the volume builder and the volume measure a bit. Then let's readjust the location of our spheres. Grab this to the right and grab this to the left and then rescale this a bit. Now let's enable the volume builder and the volume measure. After doing so, we will right click on the volume measure and then choose connect objects. Now we will disable the volume builder and the volume measure and everything else. Now all we need to do is right click on the newly generated object and then go to the animation tags, choose the last one, the Vibrate tag. We will click on the Vibrate tag and head to the attribute manager. Now we will enable the position and the rotation. Let's press F8 to let it play. Now it looks like we need to adjust the frequency values. I found that 0.5 works well for me in the position tab. For the rotation frequency, we will set it to 0.2 and then we will press F8 to let it play. Looks better, but I wanted to float or hover in the y-axis even more, so I'll head to the amplitude and adjust the value. Instead of 100, we will use 20, 100 for the y-axis, 30 for the z-axis. For the rotation values, I'll reduce this to 15 and the y-axis to 30 and the z-axis to 20. Let's check on it by pressing F8. And there you go.